What is going on, everybody? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to delete multiple blank rows from a dataset all at once. And so the dataset we're working with today is a class ID list with student ID, with the course, and the grade. And so say we're working with our data and we filter out a couple students from this list. Say they moved out or whatever may happen. And we filter them, then we delete them from our dataset. And we clear the filter and we're left with a bunch of blank rows. And so obviously we don't want those gaps in there. And so we could manually go row by row and delete the blanks. Or what we can do is a really quick shortcut is select all your data. I just did Control-Shift down a bunch of times till I got to the bottom. And then under the Home tab, after you've selected the data, you want to go to the far right. You see the little magnifying glass, find and select. Hit Go to Special and then select blanks, hit OK. And now all of our blank rows will be highlighted. And so now all we have to do is go to the delete cells, and then shift cells up, hit OK. You also could have done Control plus minus to delete the cells. It's a shortcut. But now here we're left with our data set with all the rows cleared and our data set intact. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more.